Hey, it's Kate with WTI. When you need a little something to help soothe your throat or help with that tickle that you might have in the back of your throat, these lozenges are just the thing.
These are Nature's Way organic Sambucus lozenges. They are black elderberry and they also are fortified with zinc and vitamin C. So I really appreciate these because they are the perfect little lozenge when my throat is bothering me a little bit. I also appreciate that the bag is resealable, so really easy to take with you on the go. They're the perfect little size and they're individually wrapped, which is great for sharing. Or again, if you throw these in your bag, if you need to keep them in the car, have them with you on the go, they're super convenient for that. They also taste really good with that elderberry flavor, and I find that they perfectly melt in your mouth, so they last a good while. And they were the perfect thing when I recently had a little tickle in my throat and I just needed to soothe it a little bit. These were definitely my go-to, and I love them.
I love these because they are soothing, they're yummy, and they just are that perfect little thing to kind of help you to feel a little bit better and soothe your throat. They also taste really, really good, which is obviously a great bonus. I highly recommend checking these out, but that's just my point of view.